950 for a 22-hour stay. Check out the Venice Star Grand Hotel. Walking distance from Carriedo Station and along Ongpin. What I really love about this place is their policy. So you will forget the usual strict 2 p.m. check-in and 12 noon check-out. You will stay 20 hours, start the exact minute you check in. It's really matched to our itinerary that day because we are from concert. So we can sleep long without worrying about the alarm clock. It comes with basic essential like clean towel, sleeper, toiletries, a kettle, toothbrush, tissue, and complimentary water. They also serve Chinese and Japanese food because they have restaurant, and you will not be worried for food because this is Binondo, one of the tourist destinations in terms of food. So it's checkout time. So as you can see, we check out during evening because we already consumed that 20 hours. It's more good when it's light. Hope you enjoy. Till next time. Bye-bye.